So we are here now for the 2026 Ice Cross, and right on cue we had a good snowfall day before yesterday. 1 foot of snow in Simla, which has happened after many years. And as one looks around, the snow is melting and the tourists have rushed up from the plains. All the roads are blocked. So the challenges will begin from day one itself. And all the cars are arriving here. They are being stickered. They are being fitted with the radios. And let's see how it pans out finally.
Don't want to be slowing. Maybe I should be going. Since we hang on by a thread. In now, nothing's in my sleep. No, it isn't over now. Makes me feel naive.
Morning, very cold morning here at Kufri. We are trying to get out as early as possible because the snow has come to this part of the country. So we're going to try and get out as early as possible, beat the traffic, beat the rush, and get beyond where the regular casual tourists can get to. And fun part of the drive should begin. So yeah, just hoping to get out on time. There's a bit of cloud cover. It should help with the icy roads, and we may be taking an alternate route to get out because Narkanda is also blocked with snow and stuck vehicles. So we will see how the day goes, but excited to start with a really enthusiastic group, and let's see now what the day has in store for us.
Can I replace all your lonely nights? Lonely nights. Can I replace all your lonely nights? Lonely nights.
So we decided to take a different route from the normal route, taken a different route, very scenic, smaller roads. But right now we are stopped at roadworks. There's some roadworks happening. So as soon as the blockage is cleared, we'll carry on till Kalpa.
With you here by my side, make my move. Can I replace all your lonely nights? Lonely nights. Can I replace all your lonely nights? Lonely nights.
So we reached Tapri. It's been quite an eventful day. Just had a late lunch. As per schedule, maybe an hour or so later than we would have been if there was no traffic or no other issue. But we made good time. We are fueling up here, just short of Kalpa. And yeah, then should be up to the hotel, maybe just after dark, in time to have dinner and just enjoy one another's company before going to bed, because tomorrow is going to be a long day. It's probably going to snow overnight. Yeah, it should be good, and let's see now, hoping for an uneventful last hour or so of the day.
So hi, I'm Suchet. I'm from Chandigarh and I'm on this Spiti Kaza trip for the second time, and both times I've come with Arjun and Explore only. So the last time I came was in the summer and now it's in the winter. So each time I come, it's a new challenge, it's something for me to try out. Summer was a step up for me in terms of my driving game, gauging the surroundings, and then just learning how to use my vehicle off the road and experiencing new things that I hadn't experienced earlier. And then I came back again in the winters because it's a whole different ball game altogether. You add in the element of ice, and even though I have been on the route earlier, it feels like a whole new journey that I'm undertaking.
Morning, just about to head out from Kalpa for Kaza. It snowed for much of the night, even though when we came in the skies were quite clear, and I think we're expecting snow for the rest of the day. So really happy with this because I think firstly it gives us an opportunity to test out the cars, the 4x4s, give people the experience they're looking for. Many people haven't seen falling snow before, so I think that will be unique as well. And in general, I think just a great way to experience Spiti. Many of the participants have been here in the summer, and already they are saying that it's unrecognizable to what they've seen before. So really happy with the day. Hopefully all goes off without a hitch. Obviously you never know what can happen when the conditions turn like this, but I think it should be a really good day, and looking forward to seeing what it has in store for us.
It's easy now that I'm alone. I just take the breeze and walk alone on my time.
Yeah, hi, me and my friend Robbie, we've known each other for the past 35 years. So he's the one who inspired me to come here and have a look at Spiti Valley. I've come all the way from Toronto. I saw a lot of snow there, but this experience is surreal and the group is amazing. We've done small little things from changing the tire pressure to the food, to the accommodation. Great group of people. We've become comrades and once in a lifetime experience.
पहली बार इतनी स्नो देखी है यहाँ पे। जंग को क्रॉस किया है मैंने, तो स्नो चढ़ने लगाई है। मेरे टायर बिल्कुल गंजे थे, इसलिए चढ़ने लगाई है। बाकी हमारी कॉन्वॉय आगे चली हुई है। थैंक यू।
So another situation just when it appeared as if the worst was behind us, coming down from Maling Nala beyond Nako, and there are a host of cars here. Many of them don't appear like they'll be able to climb up. Snow is not stopping, it's really cold, and the issue is till they clear the path here, we cannot come down. The descent itself is very tricky because there's just no way to do it. Not much traction when you hit the brakes, just goes into a slide. So let's see now how it goes. We're trying to clear these guys' path at least first, and then we'll try it one at a time. And I mean the good thing is gravity is on our side, so we can come down slowly, but still have to find a way to control it to an extent, because don't want anyone sliding into the railing or into the wall on either side. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so we made it down somehow. Everyone safe and sound. It was pretty okay once you were able to control the flow of the traffic from the other side. So, you know, with the help of the team, everyone was able to come down despite the snowstorm, despite the extreme conditions. I think everyone handled it well. People are very happy, they're feeling very accomplished, as they should. But I feel like they have no idea how much of the adventure still remains. So let's see how the day ends. But really happy with everyone, with the spirit that they've shown. And it's been an amazing day so far. I don't think words are enough to capture it.
So it is 7 p.m. and it's snowing. We just crossed Gurling, another 60 odd kilometers to go. It is snowing non-stop, a lot of black ice on the way, very slow pace. And yeah, heading towards Kaza. What an amazing drive, an amazing experience. A lot of challenges, but that's a part of it.
The day so far has been adventurous. Obviously, none of us signed up for things to be normal, and that's the fun part of it. I guess we got another 2-3 hours of drive going by, and we are putting up chains for the terrain going ahead. And it's fun so far. Long day, but not at all tiring. Happy so far.
So we've reached Kaza. It's wow, my watch is dead. Sometime around 12:31 a.m. Amazing day, really challenging. I think the stop for snow chains was essential because there's no way we could have made it here without that. There was a snowstorm, almost zero visibility at points. I think the radio communication really came in clutch there because without that, you know, no one would have had an idea of how to proceed. And everyone's exhausted, I'm sure, today. But tomorrow they're going to look back at this as an experience which they will definitely never forget. So really happy, and yeah, looking forward to some well-earned rest now.
Hi, good morning from Kaza. So last night we had a very good snow and a very beautiful ride to Kaza. This morning our team has gone up to, I think, Key Monastery and the area around to check whether we can head for today. And right now rest of the team is checking the snow chains in all of the cars and tightening them. So that is it for now.
Okay, today is a rest day. It's an optional day for all of us, but as you can see, everybody is here today. We are at Chicham Bridge and we are here at after lunch, after all the hordes have left. So we are here alone. We are making coffee, we are making Maggie, we're going to have something to eat. Just look at the surroundings. And just as the sun is about to touch the top of the mountains. We'll start heading down because it gets really cold here. And it's a great day today. Tomorrow again we'll be back up here somewhere. There's a lot of snow, as you can see. Yesterday there was a lot of snow on the way. It was a long drive, but today makes up for it. There's always a rainbow at the end of a storm.
Got me losing my mind. And all these bright lights, they got me going blind. And all these bright lights, they got me losing my mind. And all these bright lights, they got me going blind.
I'm here for the Xcross Winter Spiti. It's been an amazing journey. It's beautiful. Anybody who's watching this, I think you should do this once in a lifetime. It's amazing. It's beautiful.
Whatever you see.
We are in beautiful sunny Kaza. The sun has come out, though it was overcast at night. But another stunning day after the snowfall of the last few days. I think everyone's really happy to see some clear sky considering the drive that we had 2 nights ago. So today we are heading out towards Losar. No idea how far we'll be able to go because the snow is quite deep further up the road. But we will go as far as we can, have lunch out on the road, and then come back.
All we have is far from home, no place to go. Whatever you see in the dark of the night, different faces in a different light. Whatever you need, I'll be down for the ride. Feeling what you feel forever, we'll be together tonight. It's way too loud, I wanna free my mind. All we have is far from home, no place to go. Whatever you see in the dark of the night, different faces in a different light. Whatever you need, I'll be down for the ride. Feeling what you feel forever, we'll be together tonight. We'll be together tonight. We'll be together.
What are you taking back from the mountains? A lot of snow on my phone. Of course, yes. The memories curated by Team Xplorearth. A lot of effort behind running this whole show. Of course, me and my wife Sanika, we are having a very good time. These moments, again, of course, we want to come back. We want to repeat this. And yeah, Team Xplorearth, great job.
I keep coming back with Xplorearth for the ice cross, and this time it was completely different for me because I came back with my kids and they really wanted to be here, and the experience so far has been lovely. And what was different this time was the drive from Kalpa to Kaza was an experience in itself. It was experience of blizzards to snowfall and reaching late. So And yes, the best trusted people behind you is Xplorearth.
It's way too loud, I wanna free my mind. All we have is far from home, no place to go. Whatever you see in the dark of the night, different faces in a different light. Whatever you need, I'll be down for the ride. Feeling what you feel forever. We'll be together tonight. We'll be together tonight. We'll be together tonight.
Back in Kaza at the pump. Everyone's fueling up because we have a long day tomorrow. Don't know how many stoppages we may or may not have. So yeah, just getting this out of the way, then off to the hotel. Everyone can pack up. We've been here at the same place for 3 days or 3 nights rather. So everyone will have to pack and generally just get set for tomorrow. I think today was a great day. Unbelievable experience to get to drive on, completely white out roads, which where the tourist traffic has not reached. And I think this is what everyone has actually come here for. We attract a certain kind of adventurer for our trips, and I think they would have loved what we did today. So really good day, and now back to the hotel, some snacks, just generally chilling and getting ready for tomorrow.
We'll be together tonight. Do you know what love is?
It's another clear, nice day in Spiti, in Kaza. Today is the day we head back towards Kalpa. Slightly early start, 8 a.m. because we want to avoid all the traffic, because there's a slippery slope just before Nako. So we want to get there before the traffic from the other side comes to that spot. So we should be leaving. It's about 8 a.m. right now. So we've had a great 2 days in Kaza. Most of the people have seen a snow leopard, which is amazing, once in a lifetime experience. And we should be heading off in about 15 minutes.
Lately we've been walking on a dream. Now it's more than a game. Feel the sun on the face. When we fall, will we stay? Will we stay the same? Do you know what love is? Do you know what love is like? Do you know what love is? Know what love is like? Do you know what love is? Do you know what love is like? Do you know what love is? Know what love is like? Dark nights, your hands in mine.
So the first time, a lot of first times in this, first time in the snow, first time seeing snowfall, and driving on the snow is a completely different experience. You lose control and you learn how to take control of the car. It was an amazing experience, teaches you new skills. We made amazing friends, and the Xplorearth team, I think, has been absolutely terrific. Very professional guys, everything sorted out. I take back more skills. We've made amazing friends, and surely coming back here again very soon.
Will we stay the same? Do you know what love is? Do you know what love is like? Do you know what love is? Know what love
Okay, so we've reached Kalpa. End of a great day. What was incredible was the contrast as compared to when we went from Kalpa to Kaza. Started out early on time, beat the rush, took off the snow chains along the way, and then it was just a super smooth run. So yeah, I think everyone's quite pleasantly surprised. We've been putting them through it for the last few days, but that is what they signed up for. So should be good now. Tomorrow back to Shimla, and yeah, looking forward to cap it off in the right way. But for now, just gonna enjoy the evening with everyone. Nice dinner, and yeah, just wrap it up for the day. So really good day.
Okay, so last day of the expedition, we're heading back from Kalpa towards Kufri, just short of Shimla. Just did the certification here with the view of the Kinnar Kailash. It was stunning as always. So heading via Rampur, that's where we're gonna have lunch, and then on to Shimla. We'll see how the day goes, but I think it should be fine. A bit overcast, no snow or ice really to bother us on the roads. So hoping for a clean run so that we can end the expedition in the right kind of way.
Hi, my name is Ahmadullah. I'm from Nepal. I've come all the way from Nepal to this place, Himachal, just to experience the winter Spiti. So I've in this beautiful machine that I'm driving right now, which is the Ford Ranger Raptor V6. Yeah, so I've done all the modes provided by this car, this beautiful machine. So the only thing that was left for me was the snow mode, and I really wanted to experience proper snow off-roading, and then this is how I landed up here. So when I was planning to come and do this expedition, I had done few research, and luckily I got through this Xplorearth, where they provided wonderful service which was beyond expectation. I had a wonderful stay, learned a lot of things that we are required to do when we're driving in the snow. So everything was beautiful, everything was there's no room for where I could even complain about anything. The people were wonderful, met a lot of wonderful people here, a lot of memories to take back home, talk to my families and share with them. So I'm really happy, and I'm going with a lot of memories back home now.
We're back in Kufri just as the sun is setting. Great day's drive, no drama, no stress. Everyone was able to stay out of trouble. which is usually a potential issue on the last day of a drive like this. But yeah, amazing week or so with a really nice group of people. I think they embraced the spirit of adventure. Things got extremely extreme in the middle, and there was not one complaint. They asked for help when they needed it, were eager to learn, and I think it was just all round, I mean, we couldn't have hoped to have shared this experience with a better group of people. So yeah, really happy. One final evening with everyone now, before everyone parts ways tomorrow. But I think the perfect way to end the perfect adventure, and really happy with how it's gone, and hoping to see all of these people again and again for more such adventures. So yeah, that's a wrap on Icecross 2026.